Alrighty, so we got these Echo and the Echo Dot from Amazon. They were on a killer deal. What were they?
Not that killer of a deal.
No, whatever. Anyways, so we've been wanting them, so yeah, so we're gonna open these bad boys up and see what all the fuss is about. Apparently I should have brought a knife.
You have a knife right behind Landon.
Never mind, I got it. I got it, don't cut yourself. Whoa! Put that away, please, I'm scared. Cylinder.
You scared the baby half to death. He's gonna drop his on purpose now.
And there
Whoa,
is
jeez. That I almost did that. So, this is what's in here.
I went with the gray.
We got the gray. Whatever. Some instructions. Why don't you read those for me? And this is what plugs in. Like, we don't really read instructions, we just kind of jump in.
Landon, no knife. Put it back.
Freaking plug in this.
You don't get a little help.
Okay, so we're gonna plug this dude in. Is that it? Does it work now?
Alexa, turn yourself on.
Alexa! I have no idea.
So how's this thing work?
Oh, why are there's tablets on Alexa too?
What?
What?
I didn't.
So apparently you shouldn't have a bunch of Alexa devices in the house.
Alexa, non-tablet, speak.
Let's see, plug it in.
Let's get started.
Alrighty, so we got the Alexa set up. Wilder put Old McDonald on. So it's apparently his now. Anyway, so now we're gonna open up the Dot. That was way smaller than I'm like expecting a big old tube to come out. Old tiny Dot.
We got that one so they could communicate.
Yeah, this one will go upstairs with the kids so we can communicate with them. And say game time's over.
Who won? What did you do that?
I think Kids are cool. One of our kids is getting really into it. Guess which one? I know.
He did not.
Alright, anyway, do you have the small one opened up?
He has no idea what he just started.
So here's the little one. Let's set this one up and test it out. Alexa, drop in on upstairs. Landon, are you there?
Yeah, I'm about to kill Winnie. Why?
Why are you doing that?
Because he hanged up on me 5 times.
As you can tell, we got the Alexa working here. So the kids have one upstairs now, and we got one down here.
For me, hang up
So
on
we can
him.
yell at them without yelling.
What?
Why do I want to say something?
Okay.
Why do I say something?
Alexa, play. Alexa, play.
Alexa, hang up on me.
I'm not playing.
Alright, so we're gonna go play with our Alexa and see what all it does.
Peace out.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.